guys, I got an Amber Alert on my phone. Oh, the alarm went off, and I'll read this too. It says, so we have to keep our eyes peeled, and then if we see it, then if we see the bad guy and the car, then we call 911. So let me read it to you. It says, 2005 Silver Subaru Legacy Tennessee license plate 42MY10. If located, call 911. That was 11th. The other one was 11:50 a.m. and the one that just went off right now, in the nighttime, which is right now, was 14 minutes ago. So it went off ago. Yeah, it's really weird. Yeah, I can't believe it. Yeah, I don't know why. All right, bye, guys. Located I reviewed this thing live, so bye now. And so we got to keep our eyes peeled and call 911. And yeah, we have to make sure. Right now it's 5:50 So right now we are gonna keep our eyes peeled, and we got to go to the call app and then go to the keypad and call 911. So yeah, and here's the green thing right here is the call button. So I got no voicemails. See, if you say call voicemail, then it'll say call failed. If you go to message and you go to Amy DeCaro and you do
put that away at 6, buddy.
okay.
4 minutes, 6 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Dinner.
Okay, sorry. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, if you try to call my mom, it won't. It says call failed. You try to call him, it'll say call failed. I don't know why. It's because it says no service, and it's right now I was trying to say a message. So we need to keep our eyes peeled. I'll read this together, and then this live is all done. It's not gonna be live anymore. Okay. Okay. 205 Silver Subaru Legacy Tennessee license plate 42MY10. If located, call 911. I'll read the other one too this time. 205 Silver Subaru Legacy Tennessee license plate 42MY10. If located, call 911. So I'm not gonna X them right now. It's just I'm not clearing them. I just want to keep it just to let us know. Yeah, I'll keep these stuff to let us know, and then I did a test. Yeah. No. it was delivered, but only the videos deliver them. Hold on, let me tell Dad something. My dad something. Hold on. Do you know when I do a video?
Yeah.
When I try to send a video, it said delivered. It was delivered. It was delivered. That's really weird. It had no service. And that's really weird because I have no service. Maybe I'll need videos too. Maybe it's just share. I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. Hold on. I actually want to do. Yes. Okay, so I'll just delete this. So I'll just my mama. My mama. My mama. I'm sorry. 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 Okay, I think this is the end cause test. Hold on. It didn't say delivered, but this one said delivered. It's really weird, but so I gave them these. So here's the exclamation mark, and this one is a question. It's a thumbs up. So bye.